Hey guys, it's Amy from my Publix Coupon Buddy here, headed into my most favorite place in the world, Publix. Okay, so this is not the closest Publix to my house. I'm going to take you on a little journey with me. This is not the closest Publix to my house. I drove a little farther because this Publix takes Target coupons and I need Gatorade and meat. So I went to Target earlier today, picked up a weekly ad, and I'm headed to the store, headed to Publix. Chicken is BOGO this week, so I'm gonna snag chicken with the 5 off 20 meat coupon. I walked all the way down to the store because I thought there was a sign. There used to be a sign right here that said which competitors they take. You can look for the sign. It's green. It kind of looks like this. Or you can just ask the customer service which competitors your Publix takes to make sure they take Target. Hi. How are you? Alright, I'm stopping to get my green flyer and my purple flyer. Do a quick glance to see what else they got. No others. Alright, so I'm going to take you on this little Publix journey with me. If you have a kitty cat, the Tidy Cats deal is awesome this week. It's BOGO. And there's a new $2 coupon that just came out. Alright, so here's my Target ad. In the Target ad, I can only use one of these coupons because the Publix policy states one competitor coupon per household per day. So I'm going after meat in this trip. I'm going to come back later with hubby and get some Gatorade. Let me put my coupon binder in here. Alright. So let's see what they got for meat. It says, any meat or seafood purchase, frozen, fresh, or deli, includes meal kits. So you can basically do anything. You can do lunch meat. You can do frozen. I'm trying to think if there's any frozen deals this week. Let's head to the meat department. So you could snag any of these that are on sale. But I don't want any of those. I'm going after chicken. And some Airwick while I'm here. Gonna pick up some more Airwick. Or get a rain check. Either one. Okay. So ground chuck is a good deal this week. Hamburger, but basically to meet the threshold of the Target coupon, you have to spend $20, and that doesn't include the BOGO price. So chicken is BOGO, which is what I'm coming after. So I try to get two that are similarly priced. So there's a couple here for $9.78, $9.88, $8. Alright, so I'm going to grab these two, and $9, the more expensive one, is going to count towards my $20 threshold. So I could grab another 2 chicken, or I could grab something else. I think I'm going to grab another 2 chicken. We eat a lot of chicken. It's about the only thing anybody agrees on in my house. Excuse me. Alright, so then I'm going to get one that's a little bit more. Of course. Here's one for $10.08 and $10.13. Alright, so I hit my 20 to get the $5 gift card when you hit meat. When you buy $20 worth of meat. If we had coupons for anything else, like a manufacturer coupon, we could use it if we had it for the chicken side, but we don't. So I'm basically getting $4 $40 worth of chicken for 15 bucks. To me, that's worth it. I'm cruising through the frozen section to see if there's anything worth getting in the frozen section this week that could go towards the meat coupon. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, let's see. Let's get to the meats. That would be helpful. If you want to do this barber chicken, you could do it. It's BOGO. I know there's a $1 off 2 coupon for it. That would qualify for the Target meat coupon. If you want to do the Publix chicken nuggets, they're on sale for $5. No coupon on those, but you could certainly do it. Let's see what else. Ooh, these Philly Gourmet. They're hamburgers. They're BOGO at $8.49. No coupon for them that I'm aware of, but pretty good deal. 2 boxes for $8. Because the Publix beef patties are $8 alone. So that's a pretty dang good deal. Ribs, if you want to score ribs, they're on sale this week for $1.99 a pound. You could use those towards the Target meat coupon. Genio turkey burgers, BOGO. You could use those towards the meat coupon. Armor meatballs, BOGO. You could use those towards the meat coupon. Again, no manufacturer coupons for these, but hey, good deal if you're getting $5 back on a gift card, or your store might take $5 off, like my store usually just takes the $5 off the total and forgoes giving me the gift card. Alright, so that's it with the competitor coupon. Let's go pick up some Airwick. I'll keep you on video for this. Is anybody else singing Publix? My husband gets really embarrassed because I jam out in Publix. Gotta have fun while you do it. Again, this isn't my normal Publix, so somewhat lost in here. Oh my goodness, look at that. They are stocked with Airwick. And look, once again, they don't have a sign up. And I know y'all are going to come back in my group, in my Facebook group, and be like, Airwick isn't on sale at my store. Yes, it is. They just don't have a sign up. It's BOGO. And the limit on the coupon for the Airwick is 2. Even if you snag a rain check, which I'm kind of bummed they have it because I really want a rain check, you still have to abide by the limit 2 coupon limit. Limit of 2 light coupons per shopping trip. So that means you can buy 4 total because it's a BOGO coupon. So snag 4 of these. I've just been grabbing 4. And if your store is out, then you can grab a rain check. You can grab it for 8, but you can still only use 2 coupons, and you forego the other 4 boxes or 4 bottles. With the rain check. So you have to redeem all of the rain check at one time. They don't reissue the rain check for another 4 bottles. So if you get a rain check for 8, say 8 bottles, which would be 4 deals, which is normally what they're handing the electronic rain checks, like automatically pop out the max number. Then you can only redeem for 2 to stay in the terms of the coupon, or you can only use 2 coupons, which would be 4 cans, and then the other 4 just go into rain check lost land. So get your rain check for $4. It's kind of a waste to get it for $8 unless another coupon comes out. Your store lets you use it. Alright, so that's it for me at this Publix. I am done with my trip. I'm going to spend like $15 on 4 Airwick and 4 things of chicken. I'm looking to see the other meats. They have a really good meat at my Publix. I know I've shared this in my Facebook group. I don't see it here. It's a really good steak. Where is it? Let's see if I can find it. This is pretty good steak. It's called mock tender steak, boneless, and it's pretty cheap, $7 for 4 steaks. It's not bad. I like it because it has no fat on it. I don't like fat on my steak. My husband does. Like, look at that. That ribeye is $7 for it alone. That's what my husband would pick because he doesn't realize we're poor. By boneless. Alright, so anyway, these are good, decent steaks. I get them for the kids all the time. They don't know the difference. They have some little round ones too that are small, that are really good. I put some McCormick, I can't remember it's something steak seasoning on them. Oh, they're so good. They're not on sale this week. Just a good deal for meat if you're craving steak and you're not a steak connoisseur like my husband. Like, I don't care. I grew up on flank steak, so steak is steak to me. But he's real picky about his steak. So the ground chuck is a good deal too. It's $3.99 a pound. You could use it on the Target coupon. Normally when it's $3.99 a pound, it's for 3 pounds or more, but it's not. It's actually $3.49 for 3 pounds or more. So even better deal. So you could pick up one of those and then like 2 chicken. I mean, that would last 5 dinners for $15. Can't beat it. Alright, so come out and use this Target coupon at your Publix this week. Grab some chicken. The BOGO chicken sale ends Tuesday for some, Wednesday for everybody. Depending on which day your new sale begins. If your new sale begins Wednesday, then this BOGO chicken deal ends Tuesday. Happy couponing.